Millimeters fell.
Overnight, violent storms rolled through parts of the Midwest and South. These ominous clouds hovered dangerously close to this minor league baseball game. An EF1 tornado touched down yesterday morning in St. Louis, damaging about 100 homes. The governor of Missouri declared a state of emergency. In Texas, a tornado warning sent these college students racing for cover. Ferocious hailstorms lasted for hours, shattering windshields. This is not something you see every day, a river of hail flowing downhill. Heavy rain flooded some areas, including parts of Indiana. Out west, a different kind of precipitation. Spring snow, up to 20 inches in parts of Colorado. Today, the threat is far from over. Damaging winds and a few tornadoes are possible in parts of the Midwest.
Happening now, a giant sinkhole has swallowed a major chunk of a road on Detroit's west side.
That's a big one. This is happening right now at the intersection of Monterey and Linwood.
We're told that it opened up earlier today when a contractor was doing some routine maintenance underneath, and he was checking on some of the pipes that looked like that they were
Magnitude 5.1 earthquake. It was the third strongest ever recorded here in Korea.
And social network services were full of messages on the rare incident.
But we're going to begin the show with the restless night in Southern California. More than 100 aftershocks from this weekend's quake. Residents understandably on edge this morning, worried about what could come next.
There have been more than 100 aftershocks here, including a 3.3 magnitude quake just before 11 o'clock Saturday night.
It was felt in towns along the Montana-Wyoming border, including West Yellowstone. The park has few visitors this time of year because it was in such a remote area.
Chile, the powerful 8.2 earthquake that's hit the area, and it is called the Ring of Fire, rumbling back to life. Tonight, the world has been riveted by the images streaming in and asking, what does it mean for earthquake risk right here at home?
In this moment of fear, people began to move. It was strong, she said, and it went on a long time. As the earth rocked, it sparked fires. And the blare of the tsunami sirens. People running out of this pharmacy, some holding children, bottles tumbling from the shelves. A mass evacuation of nearly 1 million people, fearing a destructive wave in the wake of the powerful 8.2 magnitude quake. The quake rumbled along the most dangerous band of fault lines and volcanoes in the world, the point where the Earth's plates meet, the infamous Ring of Fire, stretching up along the U.S. western coast, all the way through Japan and Asia. More than 1,700 earthquakes along the ring in just the past week.
A 4.3 magnitude earthquake rattled Kansas and Oklahoma shortly before 2 a.m. The quake, which was felt by people across south-central Kansas, including here in Wichita, was centered about 2 miles southeast of Enid, Oklahoma.
Fire department. Crews worked around natural, gas, and other utilities and now need to put in a new drainage pipe and fill the ground.
The Solomon Islands has been hit by an earthquake just as the Pacific Ocean archipelago was reeling from heavy flooding from a tropical storm. So far, at least 16 people have died and thousands left homeless as the capital Honiara suffered the worst flooding in living memory. The full effect of the earthquake, reported to measure magnitude 6.
Rainstorms that have been battering southern China since Friday. 9 provinces in the regions are suffering severe flooding and landslides. Giant hailstones have struck Guangdong, Guangxi, Hong Kong and parts of Taiwan, and heavy rain is forecast to continue in these areas until at least Wednesday. And the worst hit is Guangdong, with at least 7 killed and 2 missing, as Xu reports.
Lightning flashes and thunder cracks. The flood season in Guangzhou has come earlier than usual.
Line of severe storms is heading east. They left a trail of destruction through North Texas last night. Hail the size of baseballs fell in Denton County. The front extends from the deep south all the way to the Great Lakes, where it's been dumping snow. It's already one of the biggest April snowstorms ever in Minnesota.
3 eruptions late yesterday rocked the Tungurahua volcano in Ecuador, roughly 9.
Lo cierto es que a esta hora todavía muchos comentan los sonidos en las redes sociales. Trompetas, transformadores o algo más. Juzgue usted mismo.
My rabbit standing up, check them out, that's scary shit, holy. Sounds like, oh no, in the sky, hard to see, really hard to see. Like fucking just all clouds too. Did you feel that? I can feel it. Yeah. I can actually feel it vibrating. Really? It's like this hum.